Welcome to GPT Learning Hub, where we simplify complex ML concepts. In this video, we'll be going over the two types of machine learning models, or more accurately, the two ways to train models, supervised and unsupervised. Supervised models learn from a labeled dataset. Imagine a model that predicts how many votes a candidate will receive based on a few input attributes. The dataset might have x1, the age of a candidate, x2, the number of laws the candidate has passed, and x3, the number of years they've been in politics. Each row represents a prior candidate, and for every row we also have a label, which is the recorded number of votes received. The model learns to predict how many votes a future candidate will receive based on this dataset. Learning from label data is the essence of supervised learning. What's actually inside this black box? The model could be any mathematical formula, but the simplest model would use this equation to make its prediction for y, given x1, x2, and x3 as input. During the learning phase, the values for W1, W2, W3, and B are updated until we're satisfied with the model's accuracy. W1 factors in how important x1 is for calculating y, W2 factors in how important x2 is for calculating y, and so on. The B tells us the value of y if x1, x2, and x3 were all 0. On to unsupervised models. They learn from unlabeled data. GPT and other LLMs are trained through unsupervised learning. We simply pass in giant chunks of text, like all of Wikipedia, during training, and there's no need for each sentence or paragraph to be labeled with any additional information. In our voting example, each row was a training data point, but when feeding text into an LLM, there are actually tons of training data points inside a single text snippet. Consider a phrase like, "Who are you? I am a helpful AI." LLM creators add phrases like these into the training dataset, which is just a giant body of text. There are actually 9 different training data points in this phrase. Let's see why. Given the sequence who, the model learns that the word are can follow. Given the sequence who are, the model learns that the word you can follow. Given the sequence who are you, the model learns that a question mark can follow, and so on. Once training is complete, the model has learned to respond to the question, "Who are you?" with the response, "I am a helpful AI." We don't have to label any of the data points. We already have many sequences where the model can learn to predict the next word. That's the main benefit of unsupervised learning. Most Gen AI models are trained with this technique, since training on large amounts of data is much easier. If you've made it to the end of the video, congratulations! You're on your way to mastering this topic. If you like my teaching style, you'll love our 6-day ML challenge. Each day I'll explain a new concept in your inbox in an easy-to-digest format. You can sign up for free by dropping your email at the link in the description. See you soon.